I cannot wait to share today's projects with you, so let's waste no time and jump right into the video. For project number one, we are going to create a fall fence post, and in this project, I'm using these fence posts that I've been using for a couple years now. I get them at Home Depot. These are cut down, and if you want to see how I originally used them, I will put that video down in my description box. But all I'm going to do is glue these fence post pieces together to create about a 4-piece length. Then I took this stencil from a stencil kit that I got on Amazon, and if you're interested in this stencil kit, I will put a link down in my description box as well as the video that I featured all the stencils from the pack. Then once I'm done with that, I use some leftover jeans and I'm just going to make a little shoelace bow, glue it here to the top, and here it is styled in some decor.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this.
For this project, we're going to make a jean pocket planter, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love to use leftover jeans in my shabby chic decor. So I just cut off a pocket from a pair of my leftover jeans, and I'm going to glue it to this sign that I painted with white Waverly chalk paint. This sign came from, I believe, Hobby Lobby in the unfinished wood area, and you can get these when they are 40% off. Then I took some florals that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm really loving these blue leaves that I found there this year. I love to put blue in my fall decor, so I'm just going to put that in the back with some of these like burlap. Um, I don't know if they're supposed to be sunflowers, but I put those in the front. Then I made a shabby bow out of some jeans and some material that I got from the Dollar Tree. Added a button, and here it is styled in some decor.
There wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last when tears streamed down my face.
Do you guys know what time it is? It's time to hit the like button. Don't forget so YouTube knows to send my video to more people so they can be inspired just like you. Let's get back to the DIYs. For this project, we're going to create a pumpkin pillow, and I picked up these placemats at Hobby Lobby when they were 75% off in the spring area, and I'm using my same pumpkin stencil from my stencil pack. This was probably one of my most favorite pumpkins out of that whole stencil set. But I'm just going to use my sage colored folk art chalk paint, and I'm going to cover the whole pumpkin. Then I'm going to take another one of those placemats and I'm going to glue them together to make a pillow. So I'm gluing where the ruffles meet, and I'm just using that really thick area, and I'm going to go ahead and glue around about 3/4 of the placemat. Then I took some of my batting and I'm going to go into the pillow and I'm going to separate it around so that it covers the entire circle of the inside of the placemat. So once I have my desired stuffiness into my pillow, I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to secure the rest of the opening of the placemat. And then here it is, styled in some decor.
All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday, and the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what
So recently, Diamond Art Club reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try one of their diamond art projects. And I have to admit to you guys, I have never actually done a diamond art project. So I checked out their website and I decided to go ahead and give it a try. I picked out a beginner kit. The beginner kit comes with everything that you need to create your very first diamond art. It comes with a tool bag, this sticker that you can keep track of the ones that you've completed, and then as we open the canvas that is the actual diamond art, here is where all the beads are that come in these pre-packaged little packages. It also comes with another like full picture so that you can see what your project should look like at the end. And then in the tool bag, you have the actual little applicator, the wax, and then it also comes with the tool and this little piece that you can attach multiple diamond art pieces at a time. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to actually apply the gems to the project. So we're going to take just a color, a pink color, to adhere up to the heart on the left hand side. First we're going to take our plastic down, and then we're going to only have a bit of our piece showing. This comes with this really to use easy tray. We're going to dump our beads into the tray, and then we're going to use the tool that was provided and dip it into the wax and our bead and into the appropriate color that it matches. Once you're done with those beads, if you still have some left over, you can dump them into one of the plastic bags that was provided, and then you have to save it for the next piece in that area. This website has projects from beginner level all the way to advanced level, and their pictures are absolutely beautiful. So if you want to check out diamond art today, go down into the link in my description box and you can use the code PERFECT20 to save 20% off your first order. I'll keep you updated on how my project turns out, and let's get back to the DIYs. For this project, we're going to create a wood pumpkin sign, and this is one of those little wood pumpkins that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and use my pumpkin chalk paint from Waverly, and I'm going to cover the entire pumpkin with my Waverly chalk paint. Then I took another piece of leftover jeans and I'm just going to glue that to the top of my pumpkin. I also had some leftover ribbon from a different project. This is sheer orange ribbon with white polka dots. I added a button into the middle of that. I get a lot of questions about where my buttons come from. I use buttons from Buttons Galore, and I will leave the link to their website down in my description box. Once I get that glued on, then here is this project styled in some decor.
I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment.
For this project, we're going to create a fall garland, and I'm using these beads that I got from Amazon. They are for fall or Halloween. They have these natural wood beads that have a buffalo orange check pattern on them, and then some of them have a leaf pattern. They also have a darker orange and black one, which reminds me a little bit more of Halloween. So we are actually going to use the natural beads. I'm just going to use some twine that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to thread those on in a pattern of leaf, buffalo check, leaf, buffalo check. Once I get those all on, then I'm going to take this little piece that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to cover it with some white folk art chalk paint. Once I have that covered, I took a window cling from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to place that here in the middle of my wood piece. I really thought this one was super cute, pumpkin spice, everything nice. Then I'm going to add one of my shabby bows here, and this is just a mixture of fabric and jeans that I had on hand. My fabric came from the Dollar Tree, and I just took some of that baker's twine that they have there and wrapped it in the middle. I'm adding another button here, and then here it is, styled in some decor. Don't forget to check out the link in my description box for diamond art. You are going to love the selection that this website has. I absolutely fell in love with so many, and I can't wait to try some other ones that they had on the website. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.